Hello, welcome. Question 3435. WASI 20 BECE 2022 revision. The point S is given as 4, 3 and is reflected in the y-axis. We have to find the coordinate of the image of X. Remember your tutorial on transformation. If we have X, Y being reflected in what? Y-axis. What is the image? This is the point, the image. Now, if you have a point here, which are all positive, so 4 here and 3 here, this is the point. If you want to reflect the point in the y-axis, meaning y-axis become the mirror line. So this is your mirror, right? So your point will be reflected here. I guess so. So this point, let me use star since the reflection. So this point is reflected here. Now, if you are asked to indicate the coordinate of that point, you can see that the distance from here to here is the same. Remember your science period? The distance between the mirror and the object is the same as the distance between the mirror and the image. So it means I move 4. So I'll move 4 again on the x-axis. But I will still be on the same level here as 3. So I'll be having 4 and 3 here as well, right? But this 4 is not the same as this in terms of value because they are the opposite side of the origin. So this is negative. This is negative. So when we are reflecting in the y-axis, then it means the x is going to be negative, meaning I'll be having negative x and what? Y. So the point S, which is giving us, okay, let me indicate here, 4 and 3, when reflected, will give you -4 and what? 3. You can even see there, -4 and 3. So therefore, x will be -4 and 3 in terms of a point. This is a vector representation or column vector representation. I'm sure the concept for reflection in the y-axis is clear. You can try that for reflection in the x-axis and see the concept being developed. Question 34. The rule of a mapping is given as this. So we can just say the rule of that mapping is y equals to 2x squared minus 1. That's the rule, right? What number does x equals to 2 map to? You know, the x values are the domain. The domain goes into the machine to produce the codomain. So it means that here, when x equals to 2, what value will y be giving us? So we substitute 2 in place of x in there, meaning 2 into bracket 2 square, square of 2, meaning square of x, minus 1. I guess 2 will be here. 2 square is 4, minus 1, 2 times 4, 8, minus 1, give us 7. So 7 is the number that x being 2 map onto. So the answer will be 7. I'm sure you get it. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.